Alright guys, sorry for the wind noise. We're down at our local recreation centre. We've got a bit of a river, some banks and some rocks we're going to use. I forgot to put my mic on, so hopefully you can hear me. If not, we'll edit over the top. We've got the KINGKONG RC lurker, which everybody knows as a SHERP. So we've got two HobbyWing 1080 ESCs in it, and it's running 3S and a separate 3S for the lights. So we're going to get this in, have a little bit of a gentle crawl, get it swimming, and see how it handles again. It's been a while since we've had this on the channel, so hopefully you will enjoy it, guys. This thing is super cool. Really cool to have something different, guys. Tank skid steer. It's running a 3S pack. Obviously we put some scale accessories in there. You've got to have a driver and his pal in there. We've got all the lights on there. We've got the lights on the back there. So all that can be remained to do is get it in the water, I think. Completely swimming out. This really is a cool truck. Wicked little location this for it as well, so we're a bit off the beaten track, out the way. Has some good little technical crawling patches. More of a boat than a truck.